Hey, what's up guys? So in this video, we will see how to change the keyboard theme on the Samsung Galaxy A26. Now to do that, just open the keyboard on your smartphone. From here, just tap on the settings icon on your keyboard. Now just scroll down and tap on theme. Now from here, you can change the theme of the keyboard on your smartphone. Now once you selected the theme you like, just go to your home screen. Now as you can see, we have successfully changed the theme of our keyboard. Now if you want to customize your keyboard even more, just go to your home screen and open the Play Store app on your smartphone. Now in the search bar, just search this. Now just install this app on your smartphone. Now it will take a few seconds to download this app on your smartphone, and once the app is fully downloaded, just tap on open. Now from here, just tap on active and tap on enable. Now just tap on OK. Now just enable this toggle and tap on OK. Now just tap on switch keyboard and select keys cafe and tap on start using. And once you have done that, just tap on style your own keyboard. From here, you can select the effects on key press. Now if you tap on theme, you can select any theme which you like. For an example, I will select this one and tap on download. Now just tap on apply theme. Now from here, if you go to your home screen and open the keyboard on your smartphone, and this is how you can change the keyboard theme on the Samsung Galaxy A26. If you found this video helpful, please like the video and subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to get notified when we upload a new video.